Good morning, boys and girls. You all are talking about farm animals, and today we're going to pretend we're out on the farm and we're going to do our yoga poses outside. So the first one is one we did last time. It's the farm animal, a bunny. Some farms have bunny rabbits. So you're going to get down into your little squished pup position because you're a small animal. You're going to put your hands behind your back, and the next thing you're going to do is you're going to put your bunny ears up, and you're going to look straight ahead, and you can wiggle your nose. Wiggle, 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 and hold it. Stretch your ears up really big. Take a deep breath, and relax for a minute. Another farm animal that we see on the farm are kitty cats. And this is a yoga pose called cat. You're going to push your bottom back, and your back is going to go down, and you're going to put your head up. And that's actually, this is the cow position actually. So cow, and then you're going to stretch into the cat. Cat. Push your back way up, way up, way up, and your head goes down. And then we're going to go back to cow. Squish your belly way down, bring your head way up, look up in the sky. And now we're going to go back to cat. Sort of like a Halloween cat. Your back is nice and round, 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 round. And back. And we're going to do that one more time. This is your cow. Say moo. And then you're going to go meow, meow, meow. That was your cow. Now, boys and girls, if you're really quiet, you can hear the birds, right? Can you hear them? Those are the birds in my yard. So we did a chickie before, and that we're going to do that one more time. We're going to be like little chickies. And we're going to hold this position for a minute. Do you hear the birds? You're balancing on your toes. Hands like this if you want, or you can do this. Good job, everybody. Okay, we're going to do few more positions. Another animal that we see on the farm is a dog. So you're going to curl your toes under. You're going to push your bottom up in the air. Pull your arms down. This position's called downward dog. The dog is looking down, down, down. Hold it. Good job. And our very last position is going to be donkey. And you guys will like this one because what you get to do is kick like a donkey. Kick like a donkey. Hope you had fun.